Guys, this is what dinner for tonight looks like. Tonight we're going to have steak. My husband will have steak and I will have chicken breast. Let's start with tonight's dinner. Bok choy. So for that, we're going to need ginger, just half a teaspoon, plus half a teaspoon of garlic, minced garlic. And I'm just going to let this cook for a second until the garlic is a bit brown. Oh, by the way, we use a tablespoon of olive oil and put my bok choy pieces on face down. Face down is cut side of the bok choy in your pan. A tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of fish sauce, a tablespoon of water. Cover the pan and cook it for 3 to 5 minutes. Remember, our heat is on medium. So easy to cook veggies. A tablespoon of olive oil. That's going to be for the chicken. Salt and pepper your chicken on both sides. And so chicken goes in. And then for our steak pan, we are going to use half a teaspoon of olive oil because my husband is a patient and so he cannot have fat at the moment. And the steak that we bought is a lean steak. Sorry, 1 teaspoon, not half a teaspoon. We will give him 1 teaspoon. And the same for the steak, you salt and pepper it on both sides. So the bottom side is already salt and pepper. And this you're going to do generously. And one thing I forgot, rosemary. Put rosemary at the bottom of your steaks. It's going to give such a beautiful fragrance. And if you can have butter, put butter, not a stick of butter, but a slice of butter on top of that rosemary, and you will have a beautiful steak. All right, and so while that's cooking, I'm going to start with the starch, seeing that our veggie is done basically. Yes, that's our bok choy. Looks beautiful. This is done. And now we can start with the starch. We are going to make coarse mashed potatoes, and our potatoes are already pre-cooked. You know, I cook a batch of potatoes for the week, and so I don't have to wait for potatoes still to cook. So we're going to be generous with our olive oil here. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, half a teaspoon of garlic, chopped garlic or minced garlic, as well as just a handful of parsley. Once this is brown, I will add the potatoes. All right, guys, our garlic is now nice and brown. And now we're going to add our potatoes. And all you want to do is swirl your potatoes in your garlic and in your oil. Toss it in nice. And now all you do is let it brown on medium. For our chicken, we can flip these. And guys, this is what dinner for tonight looks like. For me, I eat chicken breast and my husband eats beef or a steak. Sometimes I eat a steak, but lately I've been feeling very lethargic and I have changed my diet to having a protein on my plate, a starch, and also vegetables for every meal, or at least for lunch and for dinner because I do not eat breakfast. I fast during that time till lunchtime. All right, so this is lunch. So this is dinner.